Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to create a Bootstrap autocomplete combo box widget. So if you have a series of options, as the user types out, you will see these autocomplete options appearing, and user may select any of these options and you'll see some information about that object being selected. So it's just very simple example I will show you in this video. There is a package for this auto suggest which fetches these, which is used for making this autocomplete. As the user write, you will see all these options appearing. So the package name is, if you go to npmjs.com and just search for react-autosuggest. So this is actually the package. React-autosuggest. So this is actually uses Bootstrap in the background as well. So this is a command. So to install it, it's almost having 83,000 weekly downloads. And for this, we do need to install two more packages, React Bootstrap, which is required for this package. You simply install this as well. And apart from that, we also need to install the base Bootstrap package as well. So install this as well. So we need these three packages. I've already installed it, so I will just show you a very basic example. So first of all, we need to import all these three packages by using the import statement. So we import the base package, then the Bootstrap CDN, and then this pre-made components from React Bootstrap. So after this, we will declare a array of objects which will hold the autocomplete options for us. This data can be coming from a database or an API as well, but for this example I'm just taking a static data, which is an array of object. Each object is having two properties, name and info. So I will give all the source code in the description so you can get this source code. And then for this component, we will have two variables, two state variables, one for keeping track of which search value the user will write. For this, we'll have the use state. And then for the suggested items, the autocomplete items, for this as well, we will have an array. Initial value will be an empty array. So here we'll be showing the autocomplete suggestions whenever the user types. And also, last but not least, we'll also be having a variable for keeping track of which item the user will select. And for this, initial value will be null, like this. So now we have these three state variables. So now to embed this, we come to wherever we need to embed this, and for this we will wrap everything in this container component of Bootstrap, and we'll give it a class name of margin top 5, and we'll be giving a row of justify content center. So these are all Bootstrap classes. And here we embed our component auto suggest, and it actually takes the suggestions which are there in the suggested items. And then we have a series of callback functions which we can configure using this component auto suggest. One such callback is on suggestions fetch requested, and this is actually a function responsible whenever you type. We need to fetch the suggestions, and for this we will define a custom function for this on suggestions clear requested. So whenever you want to delete all the suggestions, then that for that as well we have a callback. And then we have get suggestions value, and this will be executed whenever you need to fetch the suggestions as the user type, and we'll be binding this suggestions dot name. This library contains this callback function. As the user types, these suggestions will automatically come, and we basically give the name of the suggestions in this function. And lastly, render suggestion. So we need to show the suggestion, render out the suggestions. And for this also, the suggestions will come automatically in this variable. And now to show the suggestions, we use the div tag, and directly right here at itself, we can show the suggestion name. That's all. So if you try to see whatever, you will see this input field appearing. There is some kind of error. On suggestions fetch is not. We need to declare all these callback functions that we defined. So one by one. So what I will do, I will define all this. So if you refresh now, you will see this input field now appearing, and you can actually now, as the user types, you will see the suggestions appearing, and you can click any of these suggestions and you will see additional information about it. So we binded this when the user selects any suggestions. This on suggestion selected is a callback function, which is there in this package, and we binded this function and input props. You can give an on change here, and then for showing the information, we are simply comparing that if the selected item is defined, then we are displaying more information about that selected item. So this is a complete example, and we have these series of our functions available to us, which we are filtering the items based upon the value given. We are using the filter function of JavaScript. So this is actually the package react-autosuggest. You can directly use it. This is a full example. I will give the source code in the description. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.